Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can make your WhatsApp message italic. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, you'll have to open the WhatsApp app on your device and choose the account that you'd like to message. Now since we've opened the message box, on the bottom section you'll be able to see a message bar. Tap on it and you'll view your keyboard. Type the message that you'd like to send. Now after you've typed the message, you'll have to select the message, and above the message you'll see these options to either cut the message, copy it, paste it to make it bold or italic. Now you'll have to choose the italic option and tap on it. Now as you can see, my message has been turned into the italic font. Now all you'll have to do is tap on the send button. So, as you can see, it is that simple to change your WhatsApp message into italic. And if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.